Hi, my name is Hannah. My project is on scientific classifications of bugs. This picture shows the groups that animals are put in, and not just animals, but every living thing. Insects have this classification. Domain, which is the highest. Eukaryote. Kingdom, Animalia, which is a little smaller. Phylum, arthropods, just a tiny bit smaller, you can see. And then their class, Insecta, right there. We didn't do the order, the family, or the genus, or the species, because that would be a lot of research. Those are my little friend beetles. I made a lot of friends. I made way more of those friends that day, maybe two. Arthropods, an animal with no spine. Their body is made of joint segments. And by the way, spiders do not have a backbone. It says no backbone right here because of course you can't see. They have a segmented body, an exoskeleton, they're cold-blooded, and they have joined legs, which are very tiny and bendable, which makes them able to climb. This is Insecta, which Insecta is their class. As you can see up here, they have 6 legs. They usually have 1 or 2 pairs of wings. Their body has 3 parts. They are called the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Insects also have a pair of antennae. Butterflies. These are insects because they have 6 legs with no spine. Their order is Leptoporia. Leptoporia insects have scales that cover their bodies, and they have triangular wings that are beautiful and delicate. They also have a proboscis, like a straw. They sip nectar out of flowers. They may tickle you with it if they think you're a flower. And it's like a spiral shape, which is very tickly. Very, very tickly. But light, very light also. Did you know there are 750 butterfly species in the United States? Some of them are monarch, glasswing butterfly, and swallowtail. The monarch butterfly is the state butterfly of Texas. This is a monarch right there with the green box above it, which says state butterfly. Ladybugs. These are insects because they have 6 legs with no spine. Their order is Keptophoria. Keptophoria include all beetles, and their order is the biggest order of animals on Earth. There are 1 to 2 million total species of beetles that we know of. All Keptophoria have hard outer shells. Like if you see a beetle and then you touch their back, it would be hard, like the rhino beetle, or this beetle up here. And I've touched all of them, and don't be afraid, they're adorable and none of them bite. Dragonflies. These are insects because they have 6 legs with no spine. Their body has 3 segments. Like all insects, their order is Odonata. They have They are insectivores, which means they eat insects. They also eat fish and newts. They lay their larvae underwater in fresh water. Not insects, like I am not an insect up here. See, I'm not an insect. A lot of people think that snails and spiders are insects, but they're not insects because they are in different categories. Snails do not have legs at all. Insects have to have 6 legs, and they usually have wings. Snails do not have wings. A snail is not an arthropod. It belongs in the phylum of mollusca. A snail is not an insecta, but its class is gastropod. Slugs are also gastropods. Phylum, mollusca. Gastropods, bivalves, and camptopods. There's an octopus with the gastropods, a squid with the gastropod, a sea slug, a snail, slugs, clams, scallops, and mussels. So there's a lot of sea stuff on here, stuff that live in the sea. Spiders are not insects because they have 8 legs and no wings. Insects have 6 legs. A spider is not insecta, but its class is Argonauta. A spider is an arthropod, but it belongs in a different class. Thank you.